Kien importanti ferm li r-Renju Unit jasal għal ftehim mal-Unjoni Ewropea mal-ħruġ tagħhom mill-blokk.
It is a big relief to have this trade deal. Super important.
Cathy Ward, il-Kummissarju Għoli tar-Renju Unit, spjegat ma' Net News kif il-ħruġ tar-Renju Unit mill-Unjoni Ewropea mhux mistenni jirriżulta f'tariffi ġodda fuq prodotti importati mis-suq Ingliż.
So it is a complete tariff liberalization deal. So it is, there will be zero tariffs on goods, zero quotas, and it's the first time the EU has ever signed such a deal with a trading partner. And I think in terms of UK-Malta trade, it's obviously really positive because it means that anything that Malta is importing from the UK or exporting is not going to be more expensive.
Ward spjegat li n-negozji naturalment se jkollhom jagħmlu xi tibdil żgħir minħabba proċeduri ġodda li se jidħlu fis-seħħ. Staqsejna lill-Kummissarju Għoli jekk min jordna affarijiet online minn siti Ingliżi u se jkollu jħallas aktar. Will there be an impact on prices for those goods?
No, there should be no impact. No.
Dwar studenti Maltin li jixtiequ jkomplu l-istudji tagħhom fir-Renju Unit, Ward qalet li l-pajjiż mhux se jkun aktar parti mill-programm Erasmus, madankollu qed iħejji programm ieħor għal dan il-għan.
We're developing our own global Erasmus type program. And so there will be details released of that in the coming year. So there will be some kind of replacement, but we haven't yet announced details of that.
Dan fil-waqt li studenti li diġà jinsabu jistudjaw ir-Renju Unit mhux se jkunu effettwati minn Brexit. Li vjaġġar lejn l-Ingilterra mhux se jinbidel.
You can travel to the UK visa-free for up to 6 months. So there's no real difference. So you'll buy your ticket, get on the plane, obviously you have to observe any COVID restrictions currently, but the main difference will be at the airport you won't be in an EU queue, you'll be in a rest of the world queue at the airport and your passport will be stamped.
Fir-rigward ta' kura tas-saħħa għal Maltin fir-Renju Unit, Ward spjegat li bejn iż-żewġ pajjiżi hemm ftehim li ilu hemm snin twal u li dan mhux se jinbidel.
There is a long-standing agreement between the UK and Malta whereby the UK provides healthcare for up to 180 patients a year who are suffering from particularly rare, incurable diseases which are difficult to get care for in Malta. And so the UK provides that care in those circumstances. There are no plans to change that. This deal does not impact on that in any way, so it will continue and in the same way that Malta also provides healthcare for British citizens. No change.
Mistoqsija jekk taħsibx li Brexit jista' jdajjef ir-relazzjonijiet bejn Malta u r-Renju Unit, Cathy Ward qalet li r-rabta bejn iż-żewġ pajjiżi tmur lura ħafna snin u għandha eruq storiċi. Hija fakret li l-fatt li pajjiżna jifforma parti mill-grupp tal-Commonwealth ikompli jsaħħaħ ir-rabta li hemm.
This new agreement provides the foundation for the relationship with the UK, but we are going to strengthen it more and more going forward.
Kristina Majra għal Net News.